What I've always wanted to know how to do. A mini project by me, Mr. Teresi. Is there something that you have always wanted to know how to do? Something you have been curious about but don't really, not really learned how to do it? Well, you're going to love this mini project. Step 1. Before the project day, which is going to be on Tuesday, think of something you have always wanted to know how to do. Do not make it something huge, save that for another time. Something that you can learn about, make a presentation and teach others about in the same day. Your question should start with, how do you... Remember, it is something you do not already know how to do. That's very important. Some examples might be how to ride a skateboard or a surfboard, how to bake a cake, how to make a perfect paper airplane, how to get to the next section of your favourite board or computer game, how to play chess, how to kick a football really well, anything like that. Write down clearly what it is that you want to learn how to do. Post this onto our Class Edmodo page in the English group. You need to do this the night before the project day. This is very important as your teacher can start thinking of some resources for you. Discover your learning. With your teacher's help, you are going to start finding out how to do your goal. You will use books, the internet, and maybe even interview other experts at school. Think about how you will keep all your research. It could be writing it down, recording it on your MacBook, or drawing diagrams. Step 4 is the dream of a presentation stage. Now you've learned how to do it, now it's time to be creative. Start thinking about how you present your learning in an interesting way. It is totally your choice. Some ideas could be a video, a poster, a song, a dance, a poem, a written explanation with diagrams, or some of these put together. It's totally up to you. It is important that you have a plan and you clearly tell your teacher this before you start. How will you present your learning is so that someone can easily learn from your presentation. Step 5, design. Begin designing your presentation. Remember, you are going to have to teach someone else how to do whatever it is that you have learned. So your explanation must be clear and have visuals. That means illustrations or diagrams or video. Step 6 is when you debrief with your teacher or another student. After you have taught someone else that you will reflect on what you do during this project. This might happen the next day. Questions to answer will be, what will you do differently next time? What are you pleased you did? And this is how you will be scored. Take time now to pause on this slide and read through how to get a 4 on each of the 4 sections. It's very important. So just to be clear, all you need to do the night before is to post on our Edmodo page what you're going to find out how to do, and that's all. All the other steps, from step 2 to step 6, we'll do in class the next day. Look forward to it. Hope you enjoy it.